And we're going to end up in the 30s today is what is going to happen. And I think we could see some peaks of sunshine towards late afternoon and evening, but it's not going to be a bright blue sky kind of day. And fog has really been a story for a lot of you this morning. The closer you are to the lake at this point, the better the visibility. But if you travel inland, we are under a mile in Mansfield, in Worcester, in Akron, in Canton. So it's going to fluctuate as fog does. And that's why we're kind of giving you that heads up that you might need some extra time in some areas. And you know how fog is. One street's good, next street over, not so much. So let us know on social media what you're waking up to. Sustained winds right now from 5 to 15 miles an hour, and temperatures are still feeling quite nice in the 40s, 50s. Now we are 39 degrees downtown Cleveland. We are all going to continue to fall back into the 30s. And once we get there today, we're not going to budge. That's seasonal, but it's certainly a far cry from the 61 we hit yesterday. Just a little drizzly this morning, very, very light precipitation. I know you've been hearing about these flooding concerns. Okay, so that gets us into the middle of the week. Rivers slowly moving and breaking up, obviously. Frozen ground's going to mean runoff, and it's something that we'll have to watch real careful because we do have rain in the forecast, not only for tomorrow, but also into Thursday. So let's go hour by hour on our National Design Mart forecast. We'll take you through the rest of today. This is the snapshot from 3 o'clock. Temperatures are in the 30s. We're seeing a couple breaks in that cloud cover before the sun sets, which will be nice to see, a little vitamin D. And then we get into the overnight hours and early tomorrow, and this could be a little tricky for our very early commuters. 4 a.m. a little freezing rain will be possible on the onset of this. It will quickly change to all rain tomorrow as temperatures warm into the 40s. That's our first wave. Then we get into another round of rain on Thursday. So it could be impressive as far as how much. And with that being said, flooding concerns. No flood watches at this point, nothing like that going on, but we will be keeping you updated. Friday, we're back to colder weather, and Saturday looks bright, but definitely on the chilly side with highs in the 20s.